Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back, and let me ask you a quick question. Would you like to start an Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about it for a while now. Maybe you're just unsure about what you're going to sell, what hot products to list on Amazon. Maybe you're sort of unsure even how does it work? How does it all work? How do you find suppliers for your Amazon store? Well, thank you for dropping by. My name's Alex Ryan, and today's video, I'm going to show you some quick strategies to finding great products. Now, Amazon is a great platform for selling your products, right? You can do really well with Amazon. And the reason I say that is people on Amazon, they're looking to buy. They're not browsers, they're buyers. Whereupon other websites, people are browsing about, they're not really to make the action, the decision to buy or to purchase, but Amazon, they are. So selling on Amazon and selling great products, hot products on Amazon is actually one of the best things you can do right now if you're looking to start a side business. So how do you go about finding these hot products? Well, there's a couple of quick strategies. The first strategy is obviously look at what the Amazon bestsellers are selling, right? There is literally about 1,000. I have a list of about 1,000 people right now that are the Amazon bestseller list, right? So what I do is I look at the list, I find out exactly what they're selling. Is it something that I want to get into? Is it a product that I actually feel motivated to sell? Is it a product that I actually want to sell, right? Because not all products, even though they make money, is something that I want to get on board with, right? So I look at the bestsellers, I look at what's out there. Is that something I want to sell? And there are ways to find it out, okay? There are ways of finding out the hot products. The second way is I look at what's trending. So I look at the news, I look at what's being mentioned right now. There was a story the other day about a Perth mum making $8,000 online through her Amazon store just because she mentioned in a Facebook post that went viral about this hot sauce, right? $8,000 in like 2 days. It's incredible. Imagine how much difference having that kind of money coming in to your bank account would make. Anyway, so I look at what's happening in the news. Is it something that, are they mentioning products? Is there a new potential product coming to market? So for example, I'll give you one example, electric scooters, right? When that came on, that went crazy, right? A couple of my clients jumped on that and they actually started selling these scooters. Now that's something you can do. Now what I would advise if you were going to do this is to actually get into selling a modified scooter. So something a little bit different, because you don't want to be selling a product that everyone is selling on Amazon, right? You don't want to be blending in and selling the same old thing, right? Because you're competing with more people, right? So there are strategies to doing it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's quick, I know it's short. My name's Alex Ryan. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've been finding hot products for my clients for 10 years, helping them get started on Amazon and in their own little side hustle, side little business. If you want to find out more, below me is a link to a website. And on that link, there's a free webinar showing you how to get started with your Amazon business, how to find the 10 hottest products right now selling. And not how to find it, I actually give you the products, right? I give you 10 hot products you can get started with right now on Amazon. So check it out, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have an awesome day. See you later.